Back to channel. So we've just pulled up on this job. So we are going to run main bonding, main equipotential bonding for the gas, main equipotential bonding for the water. The builders have now run the water main into the flat. So we're going to get somewhere within 600 mil of the main stopcock for the water, and the gas is now on the outside wall, so we're going to get that bonded as well. Today I'm going to be installing some main equipotential bonding. I'm not going to be doing the water because the water they've run in, so all the pipes are in plastic, and where they have run copper, so we've got plastic elbow, bit of copper, plastic elbow, and goes up to the boiler. And we've got plastic, 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 plastic. All the rest of the pipes are plastic right through the building, so everywhere they are. And obviously the radiators are all wired in plastic, so they've got little copper tails coming up. So we're not going to bond the water because there's no need to. It's plastic coming in, and we have to do it within 600 mil of the main stopcock or wherever possible. Right, so that's where we're going to bond the gas pipe. Right, so I've got the bonds in. Obviously we didn't do the water, so the gas is now bonded. So yeah, that was that job, pretty uneventful. The loft was absolutely baking hot. So undesirable to be up there. So I put a few clips in. I'm going to go back up there and clip it at another time. But yeah, that's me out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again.